Learning Persian through literature and poetry can be a delightful and enriching way to engage with the language. This is a practical way to immerse yourself in Persian every day and enjoy learning Farsi. Here's a roadmap to get you started. Video of resources to learn Persian through literature. Persian literature for beginners. Start with beginner-friendly materials. Folktales, children's short stories, and short poems with simpler Persian vocabulary are great entry points. Look for materials with translations or transliterations to aid comprehension. Bring Persian to life at LELB Society with our simplified Persian stories and poems. You'll build vocabulary and grammar in real context, all while gaining a deeper appreciation for Persian culture. Over 100 Persian short stories with videos, new vocabulary lists, and English versions. Farsi learners can delve into the rich world of Persian storytelling at LELB Society. Our collection offers over 100 short stories, carefully chosen from both classic Persian literature and translated Aesop's fables. This curated selection allows you to explore the depths of Farsi through captivating narratives, while the English translations provide support as you build your language proficiency. Immerse yourself in Persian literature. Immerse yourself in Persian literature every day to improve your Persian proficiency and enjoy the beauty of this sweet language. Learning Persian through literature lets you experience the beauty and depth of Farsi firsthand, from the soulful poems of Rumi to captivating folktales. This approach not only builds vocabulary and grammar in a natural way, but also grants you a deeper understanding of Persian history, values, and traditions. Remember, consistency is key. Dedicate some time daily to reading and practicing Persian, and you'll gradually develop your language skills while appreciating the beauty of Persian literature. Persian poetry and literature for non-Persian speakers. Enjoy learning Farsi by immersing yourself in Persian literature and Persian poetry with simplified lessons, video tutorials, and comment forms for asynchronous learning. Even in translation, the works of iconic Persian poets like Rumi, Sa'di, Ferdowsi, etc. resonate with universal themes of love, loss, and the human experience. Their evocative verses and profound insights will leave a lasting impression. So why not embark on this captivating journey with LELB Society as your guide? You might just discover a new literary love and gain a deeper appreciation for the beauty of Persian language and culture. Rumi's Masnavi Manavi. Rumi's Masnavi Manavi, also known as the Masnavi, is a colossal poem widely regarded as a cornerstone of Sufism. Composed of over 25,000 verses, the Masnavi unfolds through captivating stories, parables, and allegories. These tales serve as Rumi's vessels for conveying profound spiritual truths. You can study and enjoy the following anecdotes and moral stories by Rumi with embedded video tutorials, vocabulary in real context, and questions for discussion on LELB Society. The Athlete and the Headless Lion by Rumi from Masnavi. The Donkey's Gone from Masnavi by Rumi. Dastana Hluwani Washerbs. Dastana Zendan Wahazim. Learn Persian with Sa'di's Golston. The Golston, Rose Garden, by Sa'di is a collection of prose and verse known for its insightful and entertaining stories. Sa'di, a master of weaving wisdom into meaningful and interesting tales, uses anecdotes about kings, dervishes, and everyday people to explore themes of justice, moderation, contentment, and the importance of good character. These stories, often humorous or poignant, deliver their messages with a poetic touch, making the Golston a timeless treasure of Persian literature. The following are just some examples of Persian tales and anecdotes from Golston. Hayat Hajadahum Lstana Saad Njbar. Dastana Kadra Esesh Ez Lstan Saad. Value of Health by Sa'di from Golston. Learn Persian with Shahnameh. The Shahnameh, penned by Ferdowsi, stands as the national epic of Iran. This monumental poem, composed of over 50,000 verses, transcends history and myth. It chronicles the saga of Persian kings and heroes, through tales of legendary figures like Rostam, a valiant warrior, and tragic conflicts like the father-son duel between Rostam and Sohrab. The Shahnameh celebrates heroism, justice, and the enduring spirit of the Iranian people, like the following. Dastana Mardush as Shehanemahu Fardus. Learn Farsi with literature asynchronously. Untethered hybrid learning. Online Persian classes plus asynchronous and flipped learning for Persian students and enthusiasts at LELB Society. Are you interested in learning Farsi at your own pace and deepening your understanding through interactive discussions? That's the power of asynchronous learning and flipped learning approaches offered by LELB Society, a bilingual academy of English and Persian. Asynchronous learning allows you to access pre-recorded video lessons and resources on the LELB Society platform, anytime, anywhere. This flexibility caters to busy schedules and diverse learning styles. LELB Society takes asynchronous learning a step further by incorporating flipped learning. This means you'll gain foundational knowledge through the videos and multimedia, then come together, asynchronously, to discuss, practice, and apply your learning in comment forums and Persian forums. These forums become a space to share insights, ask questions on Persian poetry and literature, and learn from your peers, fostering a collaborative learning environment. LELB Society's further examples of Persian literature. Had Zunbur wa mor az fard eden at-taranisha bur. Had Hannesh Baudubra emuj ben far. Her Eyes from Bozorg Alavi, translated by Nafai Zaghi. The Donkey Dilemma by Molla Nasreddin, written by Nafai Zaghi.